What's going on, guys? So right now, I'm currently walking to West A to meet up with Kev, and it's fucking crazy out right now. Fucking winter storm here in Boston. Just hit this morning, and yeah, kind of sucks, but we'll get through it. Just gonna make my way over here. Fuck with this fucking shit too. Fucking shit, bro. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Meet up with my boy, and then go get some shit done. Fully hoodie, fucking overcoat, whatever. Gloves, jeans, shirt underneath, bro. Forgot my scarf, but it's all good. But it's fucking, I'm not that cold, but like, the wind is just ridiculous. It's kind of hard to walk, talk, keep turning around. Oh man. Fuck. So right now we're walking around the Prudential Center with Kev. Most of the stores have closed since we got here. We went to Italy to eat for like an hour, and now everything's closed. But we're walking around, wasting some time before we go outside in the snow. So, yeah. So it's the following day. It's currently 2:45 p.m. as you guys can see here. Right now I'm currently watching some YouTube, watching some Rob Lipset. He just finished his video. He made like he explained why he didn't like vlog in Dubai or whatever. So it's pretty good. And he like just added in some clips from his iPhone or whatever. But right now I'm about to go get some food, and then I'm gonna go grab some food and then just drink some water. 400 milliliters, maybe a little more, like 500 milliliters. So just had this. Gonna drink another one when I come back while I eat my food, and then gonna chill out for a little bit, watch some more YouTube, maybe edit my video from like the past like New Year's Eve vlog, and a couple days after that. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you guys what I get to eat and then go from there. Stay tuned. What's good, guys? So I'm back here in my room. Went to Wally's real quick downstairs. Copped the Husky sandwich, but it's a large sandwich. Very good. I think it has like some ham, some turkey, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, just the usual mayonnaise. It's basically like what I get from like Subway, so that's why I kind of like it a lot. It tastes really good. And then I have like two Power Crunch protein bars in the fridge. I also have some chocolate milk in the fridge, and I'm sipping on more water because I'm gonna hit the gym around like 4 o'clock. Right now it's currently 3, so I have a good hour. I'm gonna crush this sandwich real quick and then head to the gym. Watching a couple videos too. I'm really interested in buying like a Phantom 4 drone at some point. So I'm watching like a little review on like what people think about it, whatever. So doing that, and I'm also trying to upgrade my camera for like mid 2018 at some point, because like I'll be working the next 6 months and I'll be making a good amount of money. So hopefully like I'll save up a good amount and like try to buy a new camera, new drone. Just trying to invest a lot of money into my YouTube. I'm really trying to up my game this year, and like last year was a big step in getting this camera just to put out quality content, but like goes beyond that. Like I want to get a new camera, like at least spend like $2,000 on that. $1,000 or less if I can on a Phantom 4 DJI Phantom 4 drone, a Rode mic, just like standard stuff. Like I have most of the stuff that I need. The really quality camera, this was like $700, $800, but I want to upgrade. I want to get like a really good, just a really good quality camera, good drone, and just invest in a lot for my YouTube channel. Fucking just get that shit going. So I don't want to keep rambling on. I'm gonna crush the sandwich, and then I'll show you guys when I get to the gym. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So I'm on my way to the gym right now, my school gym. It's only like maybe like a 5-minute walk from where I live, and it's fucking freezing out. Drinking my pre-workout right here. Just got some C4 mixed with Gatorade and water, and yeah, it's fucking breakout. So I'm not gonna keep vlogging, but I'll see you guys inside. Got back to my room, had a little change of plans. Sorry I could not record more clips at the gym. I ended up finishing up my shoulders, arms, back workout. I was there for like 2 hours maybe, so I did like 2 to 3 workouts per body part. So I mean, I'd superset most like the arm workouts and stuff, but for like back I did like 3 different movements, 4 different movements. Shoulders I did like 3 different movements. Biceps like 2, triceps like 2 to 3. And then finish that up. My boy Ayo was at the gym, and I haven't seen that guy in such a long time. And he was like, yo, like, let's go to the basketball game. It's at 7 or whatever. And it was like 6 o'clock when he told me. And I still have to get through like a lot. So I just kind of like put the camera away and just like grinded through my workout. So I ended up doing that. Like at 7, I got food with Kev. And then I met up with Ayo at the game at like 7:30 or something like that. So that was pretty good. We chilled out, watched the game. And then we just started talking about like some business moves and stuff. Because like, 2018, man, like every year people always say like I have these goals I want to accomplish, blah blah, but like 2018, man, like I really see myself like just taking off with YouTube. Like I tell people that like, oh yeah, just trying to do blah blah, like, you know, but like I really think I can. I want to invest my time, my energy, my money all into YouTube, all into Instagram, just into social media just in general. And I feel like what I put in, I'm gonna get out. If I don't put in much effort, if I don't put in much money or like resources, everything, like I'm not gonna get out what I want from it. So I really want to fully invest myself into this and see where it takes me. I love the life that like all these YouTubers live, and like I really see big things coming from it if I keep grinding and following along that same path. So yeah, big things coming. I'm gonna touch like more on that later in like future videos and stuff, like what steps I'm gonna take and just different cool things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow. I'm gonna go shopping with Kev, so I'll talk more about that tomorrow morning. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the next one. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, let's kill it. Stay grinding, boys. Let's get it.